December 2021, and let's have a look on today's headlines. I'm Preeti Shah from West Bengal State, the Bharat Scouts and Guides. News headlines. The Bharat Scouts and Guides India is awarded as Messenger of Peace Hero by WOSM for the contribution towards peace and sustainable development. Delegates of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides met with Honorable Governor of Odisha State. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters organized the Scout of World Award Discovery Workshop Messenger of Peace. Ninth National Adventure Program organized at NAI Karshong, Darjeeling. Basic course for Scout Wing organized by West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Shri Prabhat Kumar, Divisional Railway Manager Danapur, inaugurated Grand Campfire during the 6th Camp District Rally Danapur. Rovers and Rangers of Odisha State participated in state-level coastal trekking program. Bharat Scout and Guides Northeast Frontier Railway observed 75th year of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Webinar on child protection policy, Let's Create Brave and Safe Space was conducted. Orange the World and Violence Against Women, now 16 days of activism against gender-based violence, participated by Amrit Prabha Ranger team. News in brief, WOSM News. The Mafeking Scout Group of Bangalore, Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides is being recognized for the year 2021 by the World Organization of Scout Movement as Messengers of Peace Hero at the global level for the efforts towards contribution to advancing the culture of peace as the Messenger of Peace. Shri Amar B. Chetri, Joint Director of Scouts Program and Training and Messengers of Peace NSO Coordinator of the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi, is conferred with Messenger of Peace Special Recognition for the year 2021 by the World Organization of the Scout Movement for his extraordinary contribution as adult leader in supporting young people in creating more peaceful, resilient and sustainable communities in the country and the world as a whole. The award presentation ceremony was held on 6 December 2021, virtually. National news. The delegates of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides met with Honorable Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganeshi Lal, Chief Patron of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides for services regarding the cyclone on 5th December 2021 at Puri. Honorable Governor addressed the volunteers and invited them for the inspection and taking the survey on loss of farmers and villagers. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters organized the Scout of World Award Discovery Workshop Messenger of Peace from 4 to 8 December 2021 at Dr. Annie Besant Scouts and Guides State Training Center, Dodabalpur, Karnataka State, in which 125 candidates participated from 11 states along with 11 staff members. Shri Madhusudan Avla was the leader of the workshop and coordinated by Srimati Kumud Mehra, Assistant Director, Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Region. Ninth National Adventure Program organized at National Adventure Institute, Karshong, Darjeeling from 6 to 10 December 2021, in which 9 participants attended from Chhattisgarh and Uttar Pradesh. The program was organized under the leadership of Srimati Surukha Srivastav, Deputy Director NAI Karshong, with the help of Mr. Vivek Kumar Das, Junior Instructor, and one of the invited staff members. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Hotspot District, Bangalore Rural District of Karnataka State conducted Vidyas Open Testing Camp for Scouts and Guides at Pratham International School on 4 December 2021, in which 41 Scouts and 39 Guides participated. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted awareness program on World AIDS Day on 1st December 2021. A rally was also conducted at public places to spread message of prevention from HIV. 41 adult leaders participated in the basic course for Scout Wing organized by West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 3 to 5th December 2021. Mr. Devatya Chakraborty, IAS retired, was chief guest of the closing ceremony. Mr. Chakraborty addressed the participants and motivated them to open new units in the area and register them with the district and state association. He appreciated the active participation of the candidate. Shri Prabhat Kumar, Divisional Railway Manager Danapur, inaugurated Grand Campfire by lighting the lamp organized during the 6th District Rally at Danapur on 6th December 2021. 275 scouts, guides, rovers, and rangers and unit leaders participated in rangoli, drawing and painting, march past, skillorama, quiz, craft, and food plaza competition, etc. Shri Pankaj Mishra organized the district rally with the help of Manoj Kumar, Shakil Ahmed, Vijay Kumar, Archana Kumari, and Vandana Kumari. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted street level coastal trekking at Digha from 1 to 5 December 2021. 281 rovers and rangers completed their trek from Digha to Talsari along with BSG Clean India project and COVID awareness initiatives. The trekking was conducted under the leadership of Sri Meheranjan Patnaik, ably assisted by Chandan Kumar, Anil Kumar Mohanty, and other experienced leaders of the state association. The members of Azad Group Bhojo Day Southeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Adar District Association assisted the local administration in 9th vaccination service camp at Bhojo Day. Principals Meet 2021 was organized at Salabla Women's College, Cuttack on 3rd December 2021. The meeting was inaugurated by Professor Dr. Sabita Acharya, Vice Chancellor Utkal University, in the presence of Dr. K.P. Mishra, National Vice President, cum State Chief Commissioner, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Shri Manoranjan Mohanty, retired Justice and Vice President, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Shri Niranjan Rath, Professor Dr. Sundari Swain, State Commissioner Guide, Shri Sarat Chandra Pakare, State Secretary, and other officials of the state. The main point of discussion in the meeting was how to empower youth through rovering and rangering. Srimati Anamika Das, SOC Guide and Administrative Officer, presided over the meeting. Annual meeting of State Council of Bharat Scouts and Guides Uttar Pradesh State Association was held virtually on 4 December 2021. Dr. Mahendra Singh, Minister Government of Uttar Pradesh and President Uttar Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides, presided over the meeting. Shri Prabhat Kumar, State Chief Commissioner, welcomed the members and presented a brief report before the House. Annual meeting of State Council of Bharat Scouts and Guides North Eastern Railway State Association was held at State Headquarters, Gorakhpur on 5th December 2021. The meeting was presided over by Shri Amit Kumar Agarwal, Additional General Manager of Northern Eastern Railway and President of BSG North East Railway State Association. Observation of 75th year of independence in connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a sanitation drive was conducted at Hijiguri Railway High School on 27 November 2021 by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides North East Frontier Railway Tinsukia District Association. Total 32 members, including Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and unit leaders, were present in the sanitization drive. World AIDS Day was observed by Amrit Prabha Ranger Team, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko Kamrup, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam in association with Department of Education Students Union, NSS unit of Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko. A rally was organized and street play was performed by the students of Boko Bazaar and the college campus to create awareness on AIDS on 4th December 2021. On 4th December 2021, World AIDS Day was observed by Saptgram Local Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam in collaboration with Shantipur Mini Primary Health Center at Shantipur MPHC Dubri under the guidance of Dr. Padma Guha Agarwal, Ranger Leader, and Sri Ratan Kumar Ray, Scout Master. Orange the World and Violence Against Women, a self-defense workshop, was organized by Amrit Prabha Ranger Team, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko, Kamrup, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam and IQAC in collaboration with Women's Cell and NCC Unit Senior Wing, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko, under the leadership of Sri Francis Boro at college campus on 1st December 2021. 6, 7, 8, 9. International Volunteer Day observed by Amrit Prabha Ranger Team, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko, Kamrup, Assam on 5 December 2021. The Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers of Local Association of Tildar, Raipur, Chhattisgarh organized an awareness campaign and rally on occasion of World AIDS Day on 1st December 2021. People were made aware of AIDS by putting red ribbons and were told about precautions and prevention from AIDS. On the occasion of World AIDS Day, the message was given by guides of Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh through street plays and awareness rally on 1st December 2021. A mass cycle rally was organized from Sundar Nagar Chowk to Buddhapada Chowk, Raipur by the Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Raipur, Chhattisgarh on 3rd December 2021. for environmental protection and public awareness campaign against drugs. A mega health camp was organized by the Health Department of District Administration Korba in high school premises located in Gram Panchayat Ranjana of Katgoda block, in which Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers rendered their service on 3rd December 2021. A seminar on AIDS Day was organized by Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Headquarters, Shikar, in which many speakers expressed their views and concluded that prevention of AIDS is best treatment. Slogan writing, poster making and speech competition on AIDS awareness were also organized, in the which with Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and youth participated enthusiastically. Disaster management training was given by Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides at a district headquarters, Shikar, on 7th December 2021. Gujarat State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Basic Scout Master and Guide Captain training course at Chaparda district, Junagadh from 3rd to 9th December 2021. On 8 December 2021, a webinar was conducted on child protection policy, Create Brave and Safe Space. On day 14th of 16 days of activism, Orange the World and Violence Against Women Now. Her story, our story, event started with warm welcome address by Ms. Abhinaya P, Assistant Professor and core team member of VAX team for Generation Equality. The event started with immense energy from the MCs, Ms. Teresa Guide Captain from Southern Railway and Mr. Akash R. Rover from Kerala. Educative information on child protection policy was given by Dr. Monica Narang, Senior Assistant Professor. The Law School, University of Jammu, then an interactive game was conducted with the participants. As evening grew, so did the interest to learn about Bharat Scouts and Guides child protection policy, which was delivered by the Joint Director of Guides and of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Ms. Darshana Pavaskar. The vote of thanks was delivered by Advocate Ritika Sharma, Chairperson and founder of Beloved's Grace organization to all. 75 participants and 19 core team volunteers to stop the violence of women 2021 team. On 10 December 2021, a webinar was conducted on Hearing from Warriors and Learning Legal Rights, Day 16th of 16 Days of Activism, Orange the World and Violence Against Women Now, hashtag Her Story, Our Story. It was indeed the last day of 16 days of activism, but not the last day for the struggle to fight against violence. The vibrant event began with a warm welcome address delivered by Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides, the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The event was moderated by Ms. Diksha Sharma Ranger from Jammu and Kashmir and Mr. Akash Rajapurushkar Rover from Kerala. Everyone was excited and glad to meet and hear from the two guest speakers, Ms. Usha Vishwakarma, founder of Red Brigade Lucknow, Safe Women, Safe Lucknow. 100 schools, 100 days of self-defense training, and Ms. Alina Alam, CEO and founder of Mitti Cafe, Forbes 30 Under 30 and Tech speaker. She shared how she created a healthy and happy environment to the specially abled and violence survivors. Advocate Ritika Sharma, chairperson and founder of Beloved's Grace organization and a core team member of VAX, Team for General Equality and Rajapurushkar Ranger at the Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides, took a detailed and explicit session on legal rights of child and women. Everyone present in the team was determined to stand stronger against the violence after knowing their rights in brief. Our story, not another 30 years. We want to get violence to stop now.
इसका फोकस रहा है कि औरत का जो इतिहास है, हमारा जो वजूद है, हमारा जो अस्तित्व है, हमारा जो इतिहास है वो है या नहीं है, और है तो क्या है. तो
because we as a society, मतलब we associate a woman's identity with her sexuality या with her virginity. क्यों? A woman is so much more than that. A woman is your mother, a woman is your sister, a woman is, everything.
Women and child rights in India. Firstly, we have to know about the rights. हर औरत के पास भी उतने ही अधिकार हैं जितने का आदमी के पास. The Constitution of India not only grants equality to women. सिर्फ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो हमारा संविधान है वो सिर्फ औरतों को ही उसके हक के लिए अधिकार नहीं देता, वो उतना ही इक्वल मेन को भी देता है और बच्चों को भी देता है.
The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters organized BSG Digital Smart Generation Surf Smart 2.0 virtual workshop on 9th and 10th December and a regional workshop in Hindi language, and also organized from 11 to 12 December 2021 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. COVID news. The Scouts and Guides of Government Higher Secondary School Amora Akaltara district Janjgir Champa called the Corona Free India for displaying posters at the village squares and made aware all the common citizens to have vaccination. Forthcoming events. The time for submission of applications to 25th World Scout Jamboree scheduled to be held at Korea in 2023 is extended up to 31st January 2022. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 166/2021 dated 6/12/2021. National Integration Camp to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 165/2021 dated 6/12/2021. Azadi Ka Digital Mahotsav State Master Trainers Training for BSG Digital Smart Generation Surf Smart 2.0. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 164/2021 dated 3/12/2021. National Integration Camp to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 163/2021 dated 3 December 2021. National Open Unit Rally to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 162/2021 dated 3 December 2021. National Level Youth Week Celebration Camp to commemorate National Youth Day 2022 as a part of year-long celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 161/2021 dated 3 December 2021. 23rd International Adventure Program at NAI Panchmadi. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 159/2021 dated 30/11/2021. Volunteering opportunity to work with WACS on global level. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 158/2021 dated 27 November 2021. Do something drastic and cut the plastic. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 157/2021 dated 26 November 2021. Second Outstanding Scouts Guides of the BSG Award 2021. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 156/2021 dated 23rd November 2021. My Rights and Me as a Leader. Seminar of Legal Constitutional Rights will be held at the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi from 20 to 24 December 2021 under Her World, Her Voice project. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 154/2021 dated 18/11/2021. Asia Pacific Leadership Award 2023 for Unit Leaders, District State Commissioners, Service to Girl Guides and Girl Scouts Guide Wing. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 145/2021 dated 28/10/2021.